Good morning, students. Today we will be continuing with our computer chapters. Now we have already completed chapter number 1. Today we will be starting chapter number 2, that is uses of a computer. Now let us see. What can you do with a TV? You can listen to music, watch cartoons and movies too. Look at Veena. She is enjoying a cartoon film on the TV. Now, what is the name of this girl? Veena. What is she doing? She is watching a cartoon film on the TV. This is a TV screen. You can also listen to music, watch cartoons and movies on the TV. You can do all these things and more on a computer too. You can also listen to music, watch movies on a computer also. You can use a computer to solve sums, play games, type to write poems and stories, make drawings, watch cartoons and movies, and listen to music. Let us see what can we do with the computer. Solving sums. A computer can be used to solve sums. Summer is adding numbers on the computer. Isn't that a great way to do math? See here, the name of this boy is Summer. He is doing maths on the computer. He is solving sums. We can solve the sums on the computer. What else can we do? We can play games. Playing games. We can play games such as cricket, racing, chess and basketball on the computer. See, students, we can also play games. See here, different games are shown on the computer screen like cricket, racing, chess and basketball. We can play different games also on the computer. Then writing poems and stories. We write on paper with a pencil. But look at Megha. She is writing using the keyboard of a computer. This is called typing. See this girl Megha. She is writing on the computer. Now students, when we write on the computer, we write with the help of keyboard. See, in this keyboard there are different keys that are given, in which there are alphabets, that is A to Z, and numbers are also there from 0 to 9. So you can, when you write using the keyboard, it is called typing. We use a keyboard to write on the computer. The keys of keyboard are marked with letters, that is alphabets A to Z, and numbers. When we press a key, that letter or number appears on the monitor. Now this is the monitor screen. This screen is called the monitor. जब भी हम कोई की प्रेस करते हैं और any number that we press, it will appear on this monitor screen. This is called typing. You can write poems and stories by typing on the keyboard. Drawing and coloring pictures. See, we can also draw and color on the computer. You can also draw with the help of a computer. Priya is drawing using a computer. Can you guess what she has drawn? Now see, this girl Priya, she is drawing on the computer. So what is she drawing? Which animal is this? This is a fish. Yes. Now draw a flower on the monitor and color it. Here students, what you will do, this is a monitor screen. See, a monitor screen is drawn over here. You will draw a flower, your favorite flower. Any flower you can draw on this monitor screen and you have to color it. Okay, that is your homework students. Today draw any flower on this monitor screen and color it. Then see next. Watching cartoons and films. You all like to watch cartoons and movies? Shalini and her friends are watching a cartoon film on the computer. See here. Shalini and her friends are sitting over here. They are watching a cartoon film. You can watch films also. Like you watch films in the TV, you can watch films in the computer also. Listening to music. We can also play songs and listen to music on a computer. Isn't it fun to dance to music? See here, the friends are listening to music. Music is playing on the computer and they are listening and dancing. Now, places where computers are used. Where do you use computers? Have you seen computers at your school? Do you have one at home? Let us learn about how we use computers at home and at school. Now, at school also there are computers in our school. There is a computer lab in our school where there are so many computers. Now, you must have seen computers being used in your school. They are very useful there. Computers are used for teaching. See, I am also teaching you from a computer only. You have seen my videos. I am using my computer to teach you students. Computers are also used for preparing exam results. Yes, you have given the exam now only students. When I will check the papers, I will prepare the result also in the computer only. At home, you all have a computer, desktop computer or laptop computer at home. Now, what is the use of computer at home? At home, you can use computers for making project reports and doing your homework. See this boy, he is making project reports and this girl is doing homework. So now students, right now you are very small. When you will grow up, you can also do your homework and make projects using the computer. Using internet. On the internet, you can find information about everything. You can connect to the internet through your computer. Now students, you know about Google in mobile. जब भी आप कुछ सर्च करते हो, आपको कुछ जानना होता है तो आप गूगल पे सर्च करते हो. दैट इज यू आर यूजिंग इंटरनेट. आप इंटरनेट से यूज कर रहे हो. एंड और आप क्या कर सकते हो इंटरनेट से? यू कैन सेंड ईमेल्स एंड चैट विद योर फ्रेंड्स यूजिंग द इंटरनेट. Emails are like the letters you post at the post office. You can chat using software like Google Chat and Yahoo Messenger. Look, we can use the computer using for sending emails also. Now, what are emails? You know, अभी आपकी एग्जाम्स खत्म हुई लास्ट वीक. मैंने आप लोगों से बोला था दैट आपको आंसर्स लिख के फोटोज मुझे मेल करने हैं. सो यू हैड सेंट मी थ्रू गूगल, थ्रू जीमेल यू हैव सेंट मी द आंसर्स. दैट इज कॉल्ड ईमेल. हम लोग पहले लेटर्स पोस्ट ऑफिस में पोस्ट करते थे. नाउ वी कैन सेंड दोज लेटर्स बाय ईमेल ऑल्सो. तो आप घर पे बैठे बैठे वो मैसेज सेंड करोगे और मुझे वो मैसेज मेरे कंप्यूटर में आ जाएगा. दैट इज ईमेल. जैसे आपने अभी आपके आंसर शीट मुझे गूगल पे भेजे थे. that is by internet. Now see, here are some computer manners. Often you may have to share a computer in the lab with your classmates. Share the computer and work together so that you can finish your work in time. Now, कभी कभी जब भी हम स्कूल में कंप्यूटर लैब में जाते हैं तो यू हैव टू शेयर योर कंप्यूटर विद योर क्लासमेट. क्लासमेट मीन्स जो फ्रेंड्स आपके साथ आपके क्लास में पढ़ते हैं. तो यू शुड नॉट फाइट. आपको उनके साथ शेयर करना चाहिए एंड देन यू हैव टू कंप्लीट योर वर्क. Okay students, so read this chapter today, understand it properly, then this exercise we will do in the next class. Read this whole chapter, पूरा chapter आपको read करना है कि कंप्यूटर हमको कौन सी जगह पे काम आता है और कौन सा काम करने में हेल्प करता है कंप्यूटर. What are the uses of computer? Okay, and on this screen you have to draw a flower and color it. This is your homework students. You have to complete it today. Okay, and read this whole chapter 2 times and we will continue in the next class.